Such a beautiful day. Oh shit, okay, that's new. It's like there can't be many more days like this. This here, it's mid-October right now. At least at the time of filming this. The conditions too are as close to perfect as they can be. Oh, not bad. Hit it 2 or 3 other times, so like I don't know the trail super well. Oh man. This is a fun trail for sure. I don't have the speed. You know what, I want the flow. I don't know why that's double black, to be fair. I've only hit it once, but it was a little confusing to me. This was just more fun. Wasn't quite balanced when I popped. It's still heading slightly left. That was kind of scary. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay. There's a couple little jumps over here, I think. You know, you don't see whoops too often in mountain biking, so you can't really drive through them. I mean, they're both fun. You know what, last time I did double, might as well do single today. Double is just kind of steep with a couple of really technical jumps, like the entrance jump. Definitely the outside line there. There's so much more speed. Pretty sure the jump is up here, which I might hit. We'll see how I feel. I'm not hitting it immediately. Oh wait, no. I guess not. Up here, just gotta scope it. It's really not that bad, but that entrance just feels a little like awkward if you don't hit it perfectly. Do a run up. It's usually like these types of things I'm cool about, but because I'm an idiot, the first time I was down this trail, I was just like, yeah, it looks small, and then the divot in between the lips was deeper than I thought, and then I clearly didn't have the speed. I popped, had to bail, but then because of the depth of the gap, like how low the ground is between, I got whipped into the landing without the bike. The bike was gone, and I got a concussion. And I didn't really hit my head. I didn't destroy the helmet. Well, clearly I hit my head, but I didn't really destroy my helmet. I hit the visor a little bit. The visor broke, but I didn't hit it really hard because I covered with my arm. So I hit my arm, and the visor kind of glanced the ground. So I'm scared for a reason, because I know I've hit way more technical and intense jumps. There we go. Let's go. God, how did I fuck that up? I must have been going so slow last time. God damn. It's not even that crazy. Okay, did they take it out yet? No, they're not. They need to take that stump out. Like, I really believe somebody's gonna greatly hurt themselves on that stump. It's like tiny, but like it's kind of hidden and right where you want to compress. That rock's a little too dicey. I don't want somebody to get hurt by that. Because this is a good like learning trail if you're just getting into single blacks. Because it's like not too crazy, it's not super steep. There's steepish bits. But it's possible they don't have, you know, great control coming in. What a beautiful day. Had like the world's worst line into that. Oh. Yeah, I just figured I'd have a fun ride today. Honestly, that's really all today was about. Incredible conditions. I wanted to make sure that I experience them. Also, crazy thing, I have DDT max in the fucking bearing, so not where it threads into the crank, is actually coming loose. So it's like clicking a little bit for me, which is wild. Never had that happen with any pedal before, including other T-Max. Damn. Because of moving and vacation and bike park and a million other things, I haven't done like a legitimately longer ride in quite a while. So my fucking fitness is terrible. and I am quite tired at this point. I'm probably, what, 34-ish hundred right now, if I had to guess. Make sure I pick up speed here. Yeah, let's go. You just have to haul into it and huck hard. So I'd like to hit at least that first jump, but I have a rule, I don't hit those jumps if I'm alone. Even if it's a beautiful day and where other people will be taking this trail. These haze brakes, the revelation, so much more confidence under braking is crazy. Like I trust it, I feel it, the tactile feedback is awesome. slightly wide. Oh. Man, that turn every single time sneaks up on me. Every single time.